So we're going to have a look at the formal written method before we move on to next week's learning, where we will be using it a lot more. So some of you will already know this, you will have done this already, but it's always good to recap our memory. Now, if you haven't seen this before, don't worry, we are going to teach you it next week, but it's good just to have a little glimpse into what it looks like. So here we're finding out what 824 divided by 4 equals. So when we look at the formal method, you may know this as the bus stop method. And what we do is when we have this, we put our divider on the outside, which is the number we are dividing by, how many we are sharing it out into. And then we write our number inside. So we've got 824. Now I'm just going to change colour to help me on this next step. So the way we work this out is we see how many times 4 goes into 8. Now this is 800, but as long as we stay lined up, it does not matter. So how many 4s go into 8? So 4 goes into 8 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. So then we move over to our tens column. How many times does 4 go into 2? Now it doesn't. So because we do that, we have to put a 0. 0 times 4 is 0, and it means we've got 2 left over. So what we do is we write what's left over, which is all of the 2, into the ones column. So now we've got 24. So how many times does 4 go into 24? It goes in 6 times exactly. So 824 divided by 4 equals 206. Now we can test that if we want to by using our inverse. So 206 multiplied by 4. Now I know that 4 times 6 is 24. And 4 times 200 is 800. So there we can see we've got the correct answer.